Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can turn your ordinary landscape videos into an aesthetic one by using this color grading. So first, just add your clips and then go to the filter, find the night scene section and then add the orange blue filter, set it to around 85. Now click on the adjust tab, set the brightness to 10, contrast just leave it as it is, and then saturation also 10, exposure 5, then increase the sharpness of the video to 65. Now click on the HSL and click on this blue color, set the hue to -15 and then the saturation increase it to 20. Okay, now after that you can just go back and your video from this will turn into an aesthetic one like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment and click on the thanks button below. Bye.